Hi there, friends and family. I love green smoothies, and this one here is one of my favorites. You need to try this. In recent times, the best part of my smoothies is the fact that some of my ingredients come straight from my backyard garden, like my kale and my mint. Now that I have the green component of my green smoothie, I'm going to take it indoors, wash it thoroughly so we can whip up some green, yummy deliciousness. Always remember that you are not going to be cooking your smoothie, and for that matter, you want to wash your ingredients very, very thoroughly. For the most part, I like to wash my fruits and vegetables 3 times, and this is not going to be any exception. So the first time I washed off whatever kind of particles, the dirt that was on my leaves. This is my second wash, and to that I'm adding some vinegar. This is white or distilled vinegar. Going to let this sit in here a little bit, wash it thoroughly, and then rinse off the vinegar. I'm going to be adding an apple in this smoothie, so I'm going to be using a Fuji apple, thoroughly washed just like the greens. I'm going to cut it up and remove the core, and then it's going to go in my smoothie. You can use any kind of apple. You don't necessarily need a green apple for your green smoothie. I'm going to be adding a little piece of ginger. I pretty much always add ginger to my green smoothie. I have some grapes, some pineapple chunks, and I'm also going to be adding some honeydew melon. I'm pretty much trying to wipe out my fridge and freezer, so this is frozen, and so even if it's for a hot day, I wouldn't need to add any ice. This is plenty enough for me. Or you could have frozen some of your pineapples and other ingredients as well. These and the greens are going to go in the blender, and I'm also going to add just about 4 mint leaves. Mint is powerful, so you don't want to overdo it. So I have water. This is 2 cups or 1 pint of water. I've poured that in my blender. I'm just going to break up my kale just like that. You could also choose to cut it up with a knife on a board, but this works for me. Because you know what? Normally when I make my smoothie, I'm running out of the house. So there's no time for all that. I've added my mint, my ginger. I'm going to add my grapes. This is red seedless. Always seedless is what I would use. I'll add my apple, pineapples, and my honeydew. Making smoothies works best when you start off with your liquid, add the lighter ingredients, and then you top off with the heavy ones to weigh it down so it blends. I'm adding some flaxseed meal to this. This is about a tablespoon of that, and I like it in there, especially when I'm making my smoothie for detox peppers. And this looks like one of those. As you can see, I have no yogurt, no milk or anything in there, just water and my fruit and veggies. So I'm going to blend this until smooth. One thing I forgot to mention is the fact that kale has a bitter note to it, and that is why I'm using a lot of sweet fruit in here to balance it out. My beautiful green goodness is all done. I'm just going to pour it into this mason jar. Pour it into whatever you want to drink it in. And that is it. So good. See how beautiful the color is. Just like you just feel like you did something good for your body. Well, that's how I feel anytime I drink a green smoothie. And there you have it. Very simple but absolutely delicious. Well, thanks for watching. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.